Today we're going to make a little booklet. I'm going to show you how to make a book like this that doesn't require any staples or glue. And it has a cover, 1, 2, 3 double spreads and a back cover. So let's make that first, and then I will tell you what you're going to put in your hot dog book. We'll start off with just an ordinary A4 piece of paper, and we're going to fold it in half. Make sure you fold it in half so that the long edge is here, and we're folding the short edges together. Give it a really good crease along the bottom with your fingernail. Fingernail's good. Thumbnail. And then open it up, fold it the other way, in half the other way. Get your corners really nice and neatly together. Get those thumbnails or fingernails, press down, make a really good crease. Open it up again. Now, fold it back the way you came. That's why I need to do this again. Oops, made a mistake. And we're going to fold this edge over towards the folded edge now. And give it another really good crease. Flip over. Fold this edge down to the folded edge as well. Make sure all of your folds are really as neat as you can. Get your corners lining up before you make your crease along here. Good, nice hard crease along there. Now, if you open it up now, you should have what we kind of call a hot dog. So this is the hot dog in here, and this is your hot dog roll on either side there, okay? So if you have yours up this way, it should look like that. Now, here's the next bit. You need a pair of scissors, okay? We're going to get, you should have a fold line down the center here that you can see. So this is the folded edge here. This is your hot dog sausage in there. This is your hot dog roll on the either side. We're going to cut down that center line there, but we're only cutting to the next fold. Only cutting to the next fold. So really carefully cut to there, snip, stop there. Now, stand it back up so that you put the bits of the hot dog roll back on the table. Now pinch with your fingers at the either side like this, and we're going to pull apart. I'll turn it around so you can see. So we're going to pull apart the cut that we made. Just gently, gently pull it apart, push it around so that we end up with what looks like a cross, doesn't it? This is our book. Now what we have to do is fold our book back together to make the cover and the inside pages. And then once you've got it looking like a book, give all of your folds, sometimes you need to tidy them up a little bit, give all of your folds a nice firm push down again. You can use your fingernails, they're really good for making folds. And now you will have a book with a cover, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pages and a back cover. Okay, so you've got 6 pages plus front and back cover ready to go. This is the end of part 1. Click the link for part 2.